Hello students, welcome in Babita Science tutorial, and let's continue over this chapter's matter in our surroundings of a class 9th NCERT Science. This one is your part 11 of this chapter, and in the previous video I have completed all the topics. For this all topics you can see my all videos. In this videos I will explain you about this one, more to know. Okay, more to know means in this one we will talk about the two more states of a matter. Students, according to us, states of matters are divided into the solid, liquid, and gas. But according to the scientist, matters are divided into the solid, liquid, gas, plasma, and Bose-Einstein condensate. Okay, means two more states of matters are included here. Okay, according to the scientists, then we can say that states of matters are divided into the five. Okay, that is your solid, liquid, gas, plasma, and Bose-Einstein. Okay, Bose-Einstein condensate. Let us start now. Plasma. What is a plasma? Very simple. First of all, plasma comes under your fourth states of a matter. Okay, and it consists of a very super energetic and super excited particle, and these particles are called your ionized gases. Now you don't know what the meaning of the ionized gases. Actually, students, ionized gases is also known as a plasma. Okay, and we can see that plasma is a mixture of positive ionized gases and the negatively charged electrons. That is called the ionized gases. Ionized gases in which positive and negative ions are present, that is called your ionized gases, and it's the second name of the plasma. Okay, now the fluorescent tube, the tube which we use in our home, tube light. Okay, and neon sign bulbs. Neon sign bulbs means which we used in the night time or in any functions. It is a colored one. Okay, and we can also use the word zero bulb. Okay, then fluorescent tube and the neon sign bulbs consist of a plasma. Means in this one, plasma is a present in the fluorescent tube also and in the neon gas bulbs. Now for the plasma you want what here? Positive and negative ions. Now let's see here. Inside a neon side bulb there is a neon gas is a present. Okay, which gas is a present here? Neon gas. Okay, neon, it is your atomic number of this neon is a 10. Neon is actually one kind of the element. Okay, atomic number is a 10, and symbol of the neon is a Ne. Why it is called the neon gas? You can see here, if the atomic number of a neon is a 10, okay, Ne is equal to 10. Now you can see here, students, when we'll do the electronic configuration of a 10, then here electronic configuration is a 2 8. It means first shells and the second shell, it is a complete one. Okay, that's why it is called the neon gas. It does not need any electrons. Means neon gas does not lose the electrons and does not accept the electrons. Its second orbit is a complete one. Okay, that's why it is called the neon gas. And see here, inside a fluorescent tube, inside a neon sign bulb, here is a neon gas is present, and inside a fluorescent tube there is a helium gas is present. That is a very important question will ask to you, which type of gas is present in your neon sign bulbs? That is a helium. Okay, that is your inside a neon sign bulb, neon gas is present, and inside a fluorescent tube there is a helium gas is present. Okay, now the gas gets ionized. When this gas gets ionized. Now student, how this gas is gets ionized? Now when this gas is present in the neon bulb, okay, and in the fluorescent tube also helium gas is present. The how this gas is ionized, okay, then we can say that when we pass the electricity, okay, when we pass the electricity through gases at a very low pressure, okay, then it will be ionized. Now you will see here, suppose that when we pass the electricity, okay, then in the electricity electrons will comes out, okay, electrons will comes out. Then the charges of the electrons is what students here, the charges of the electrons is here negative, okay, then then the mixture of a free electrons and ions in a star or ions in a bulb is called the plasma here, and in this way your bulb gets ionized. Then the gas gets ionized, that is it that is gets charged when the electrical energy flows through it. I told to you students, when the electricity is passed through it, then what happens, electricity passes through it means the electron is a flow here, and here helium gas is a present or neon gas is a present which has the positive charge. In this way the gas gets ionized. This charging of creates a plasma glowing inside the tube, or bulb. Now students, see here, very easy, don't be confused here. In the tube, what is the present here? Helium gas. In the bulb, what is the present here? Neon gas. Okay, the helium gas, it has also positive charge. Helium, atomic number of helium is 2. It is also complete octet, okay, 2, and it has a positive charge. Neon gas also, it has a positive charge. The when the electricity is a flow, electricity flow means electrons are going inside this tube, okay, then electrons has a negative charge and neon has the positive charge. In this way ion is a and in this way gas is ionized here, okay. The plasma glows with a special color depending on the nature of the gas. Yes, the plasma glows, okay, sometimes it will glows in the yellow color, then sometimes it will glow in the white and many green, many other color also. It depends upon the nature of the which kind of the gas we are using here. Now the suns and the stars glows because of the presence of a plasma in them. Yes students, in the sun and the stars glows because of the presence of plasma in them. Plasma means positive and negative charged particles. No, then in the sun hydrogen and helium gases are present, okay, and sun is a what, it is a one kind of the stars also. Then in the stars what happened here, inside the star the temperature is so much high, okay, then the atoms break up and some of the electrons break away from the atoms, converting the rest of the atoms into a electrically charged particles called the ions, okay. This mixture of a free electrons and ions in a star is called a plasma. Then we can say that the sun and the other stars glow because of the presence of a plasma in them. Okay student, then it's a very simple, if in the last we can summarize that what is a plasma. Plasma is the fourth state of a matter in which the particles are present in the forms of the ionized gas. Here examples are given how the fluorescent tube and the neon sign bulbs are glow. Then you can see that here in the fluorescent tube helium gas is present, and in the neon sign bulbs neon gas is present, and when the electricity is passed through it, it can releases electrons. In this way the gas is ionized and then bulb is glowing. The bulb the plasma glows as it depends upon the nature of the gas. And same thing here, the sun is also one kind of the stars. It can glow because of the presence of the plasma in them. Okay, the plasma is created in the star because of very high temperature. Yes, because high temperature is present in the sun, which one easily breaks out the atoms of it, and it will convert it into the electrons, and rest of the atoms is converted into the ions. In this way the sun and the other stars glows because of the presence of the plasma in them. Okay, students, now let's move on the Bose-Einstein condensate. Okay, now this one is your, what is a Bose-Einstein condensate? In short, we can say it BEC, and this one is your fifth states of a matter. Okay, now our Indian physicist Satyendra Nath Bose, okay, and some other physicist Albert Einstein, okay, discovered the fifth states of matter, that is called the Bose-Einstein condensate. The Bose-Einstein condensate, BEC, in 1920. Now, according to name, see here Satyendranath Bose. Here Bose is a given, and here Einstein condensate. Okay, Einstein. That's why the name is the Bose-Einstein condensate. Okay. On the basis of them name, the fifth state of matter is the Bose-Einstein condensate. Then finally in 2001, the fifth states of matter called the Bose and Einstein condensate was finally achieved by the three scientists here. With three scientists name is a C here. Three scientists name is a given here. Say Eric A. Cornell, Wolfgang Cattrall, and Carl E. Women. Okay, and USA received the Nobel Prize for this achieving Bose-Einstein condensate. So in this word condensate, students, when the word condensate will come, then you will keep one thing, means condensate means a condensation. Condensate means a condensation. Okay. Then BEC is formed by cooling a gas of extremely low density. Then what is the BEC? Bose-Einstein condensate is formed by cooling a gas of a extremely low density. That is called the fifth states of a matter, Bose-Einstein condensate. And see here another line, low density. The BEC is formed by cooling a gas of extremely low density, about 100,000 the density of a normal here, to super low temperature. Okay. Now, if you want to details students about the Bose-Einstein condensate, then you will go here www.cam4kids.com. In this web, you will get the more information about it. According to your class, this much is, I think, enough. And you will see here the pictures are given about the S.N. Bose, Satyendranath Bose, and Albert Einstein. On the basis of them name Einstein and Bose. That's why fifth states of matter is called the Bose-Einstein condensate. Then student, this is all about the fifth states of matter and the fourth states of a matter, and this chapter is finished. Okay, I have explained each and everything you. Now here what you have learned is given here, and another thing, after I hope you will understand better. Now you will try these question answers, very important. When we get the complete knowledge of a chapter, then we try yourself. Okay, then you know how much knowledge you have about the chapter. If you have again any problem related to this chapter, you will comment me in my comment box. Till then, bye, have a nice day.